Hi everybody, welcome back to Tech Airspace channel. This video is about the TD-H3 Plus. There are some nice new features on the Plus version. It comes with a refreshed design, an updated menu system, a faster CPU, increased storage, and significantly improved Bluetooth capabilities. The main volume knob now has a small plastic side shield on the outer shell, designed to reduce accidental adjustments. Otherwise, the body, buttons, and layout are nearly identical. The display also looks about the same in real life, and both devices appear almost identical side by side. Bluetooth can be activated by long pressing the blue BT button. The same button with short press also functions as the menu button. Here you can see the new menu system. Today we are mostly focusing on the Bluetooth menu. If you'd like a full rundown of the TD-H3, be sure to check out my review video. In the BT mode menu, you can set the device as a receiver. When in receiver mode, you can even receive phone calls and talk on the phone on this radio. In the emitter mode, you can use a Bluetooth headset or send the audio to a speaker. All of these details are well explained in the manual which is included with the device, and Tidradio has really stepped up the quality of the documentation. The H3 Plus comes with this really nice little speaker microphone, and the sound quality is actually pretty good for a small speaker like this. The speaker microphone can be charged with a normal USB-C cable. When the power is turned on, the speaker microphone is automatically in a Bluetooth pairing mode. Now we just need to navigate to the Bluetooth pairing menu and connect the speaker mic to the radio. It can take a while to find all the pairable devices. Now we just press connect when the device pops up. Speaker mic is now ready to be used. Here's an example of the speaker mic audio quality.
Yes, ma'am, we'll be clear, and 233 will be clear on the N4 E. Edwards, and so we'll both be efficient.
The radio also comes with a small PTT button without a built-in speaker, plus a strap so you can attach it to things like a steering wheel or a bike handlebar. Same thing here, just pair the PTT button and it's ready for use.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Speaker microphone disconnected and the audio output is now back on the radio.
Power off.
The H3 Plus takes what worked before and makes it better. The menus are quicker, the storage is larger, and the Bluetooth features are much more refined this time around. Connecting to your phone is simple, programming is easier, and the overall experience feels smoother. And considering the price, it's a really solid deal. You're not just getting the radio, but also a handy transmit button and a speaker microphone. For anyone looking for an affordable, easy-to-use handheld with some modern features, the TD-H3 Plus is definitely worth checking out. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think.